Hello and welcome back to Cynthia's Conversation. Today's topic is a question. But first, let me introduce these two beautiful ladies. On my right, I have Amaka, and then on my left, I have Yvonne. Yes, this is a question for you guys. Bear with us, too, because this is one of those juicy ones. Can you forgive your girlfriend/boyfriend for accidentally having sex with another person?
And the emphasis is on accidentally.
I better wait first. So, Yvonne, I need to go to my 7 degrees sister. Yvonne, please, what's the definition of accidentally?
Let's spell it first.
The
definition of accidental is the fact that there was no intention. It just happened. You understand? So that's what I understand by accidental. Which is a valid question in the context in which I explained it. But I don't understand the accidental sex. I don't understand how that happens, because you don't just fall on someone and have sex. I don't understand. I get where you know, like maybe you were intoxicated or whatever, and then you slept with each other, and then you felt that was a mistake. Maybe that's the accident where I probably will agree.
No, hang on, let her finish.
Like you said, accidental. For me, accidental sex with 2 people or with whoever it is I don't think. First of all, it just happened. It's not natural. So there must have been maybe, let's say, substance involved. I don't know, or maybe it's even real attraction. Real physical attraction, and it didn't occur to you that you actually like the person, and then you had sex with the person, and then
your best friend, boyfriend, or girlfriend.
My dear, when your body chemicals and your hormones take over,
you go just accidentally.
Like the entanglement.
Then you will just go. It's accidental.
And then something will accidentally stand up.
This has nothing to do with it, because the endorphins have taken over your body and your brain.
Wow.
So I'm just
so that means you are fancy my friend.
No, hang on.
I'm just saying.
She has told us.
Yeah.
I beg you.
I don't know.
Tell me your own version of it.
Accidentally. So I accidentally fell on top of it, or something accidentally went through my pants. Through my leggings, and they went through my pants, and they entered my fafalina. It was by accident.
No, just guys.
No, wait. So I come and visit you, and then you come and you're not at home.
No, you guys are even meeting the bigger picture. He said the question was, will you forgive?
That's what I'm trying to.
Hang on, just put yourself, if you are the other. Whether you are the girlfriend or the boyfriend, just enter house. Try to explain.
So I come.
Explain to your.
Okay. You come and visit me, and I'm not at home. Okay, so I come in and I open my door, and then I see the 2 of you wearing dress. And then you tell me, Maka, sorry, was accident. That's the go accident to you. That accident will jam you people.
No, just imagine me coming home, or I don't go do my thing finish, or I'll just enter house. honey, sweetheart, okay, baby. I was in I went to, and then I couldn't see
Matthew's house.
Before I know it, before I even think of it, before I even know what has happened, accident just happened. Me and he come accidentally just,
and I accidentally get better.
Let me flip the coin. Or na me sit down for inside house, and then the man walked in. Baby, yes, honey, how was your day? Yeah, it was alright. And honey, I have something to tell you. Yeah, I was just, I went to go and...
Supermarket?
No, I went to buy chippy from the chippy. And then on my way back, and then the lady say hi, and I say hi. And then she said, do you want to take a ride? And I say yes. And then we go inside the car. And then before we know it, accidentally, now my thing just, my trouser just open accidentally. So I just need to tell you. You see, there are certain things as much as you want to picture the puzzle, you can't. Accident A car accident can happen.
Because you did not expect it.
Somebody accidentally drowning can happen. I was walking, accidentally slip, I break my leg. It's possible. I was running down from staircase to come pick phone. My slip, I fall, I break. I cannot see any circumstances
that my best friend.
It has nothing to do. There was no best friend in it. That I said, okay, have you accidentally?
No, but no. You just said something now. You just said you cannot see, and I said no. There's one, which is where I said if they were intoxicated.
Oh yes, but
yeah,
even at that, even at that, to some extent, when you go to a place, okay, let's assume you say you have I've seen where people go, they have a night out. She meets her friends at some point, and then somebody, that is not you accidental. Somebody take an advantage of your vulnerability at that moment.
No, I'm not talking that's different, because there's
no, sorry, there's
one person.
Wait,
there's
read the question
there's
again.
One person.
I thought it said, can you forgive your boyfriend or girlfriend if you're accidentally with your friend?
No, that's not the question. The question was, can you forgive your girlfriend or boyfriend for accidentally having sex with another person?
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay,
that's the question.
So back to what I was saying. Like when I said accident, I'm talking about when I use the word intoxicated. It's both sides. It's like, there are people that will be drunk or whatever.
Let me tell you,
and then wake up and realize what they've done.
No,
but I'm giving it as I'm just using accident, just like she gave the definition.
Right. Yes, but let me tell you, that's not accident, because that people use drink to cover up their inner feelings. You must have fancied that person before.
Yeah, no, we're going to.
So it's not an accident.
No, I'm coming. We're getting to that. I'm just
then
using.
It's not an accident.
No. I'm answering the question. I'm getting to that, right? Because when that happens, yes, you're right. That means at least one of them had
the
intention, or probably has secretly, or even both of them might have secretly, but because of under the influence of drink.
You're true.
You understand? They were both drunk, they were both intoxicated, whatever, and it happened. And then they realized, and 9 out of 10, after that happens, then that's when they start to go and explore those. That's a different thing altogether. So I'm just answering the question.
Hang on, ladies. The question is, will you now forgive someone, whether it's a boy or a girl? Let's say in our situation, we are women. Yeah. Will you now forgive a man that comes home to tell you he accidentally sleep with somebody else? Will you?
No, you will not.
No, because you put yourself in that position.
Yes.
Accident is if it's not, like you said, if you are driving on the street and somebody jammed, you didn't put yourself. What were you doing in that place that it was you and her? Why did you go out? No, I would not. How did the accident happen?
I just explained to you. He went by Chippy, and then he went back.
Why you pick up a stranger man? Nowhere.
And you go by Chippy, or he went out with his friends, and then he has a little bit of drink, and he was dancing with this girl. Before you know it, they don't reach halfway. She don't poop and go one side. Accident. I'm trying hard. I'm just trying so hard.
Okay.
Listen, personally, if you come home and say me, this is me, this is my opinion, please guys, don't crucify me for it. If I'm in the house and a man comes to tell me that, boy, okay, bros, just accidentally continue the accident.
Exactly. I mean, exactly. Just like, will you forgive me?
Okay, because if na me come tell you, because you get some kind of way person don't even come. Because if na me come house come tell you say, hey, honey, see you. I just go greet Amaka. As I reach her place, now some people just there house. Before I know it, accidentally we end up inside her toilet.
Not my toilet.
How will you even begin to process that? Because the question when you go ask me say, so you go Amaka house, adults from Amaka house enter toilet, and then you can't remove clothes. Or you bend go one side. You get some kind of questions. So I will not forgive that, because
that's bullshit.
101,000%.
You already had it in your mind.
It wasn't an accident.
It wasn't.
It was intention.
Exactly.
Okay. If you say, okay, I go someplace, they come spike my drink for where the girls
And they
stay,
raped you. That's
and
the
then the man, you don't even know how many of them sleep with you. That I can even begin
That's an accident.
And even with that one, it's very difficult for them to even forgive.
You know what I mean?
But that one is
But
rape.
at least you can say that one
yeah.
is, you know, you want to pursue it legal way.
Yeah.
You say we go report them to police, we go prosecute them, I go stand by you to go.
And they took advantage of
But
the fact
say
I was
you just
16.
waka come tell me say how whether me I go forgive I don't know. Because even you no go forgive me. I can't see why I go. Those kind of accidents.
No, they happen. No. Accident is accident for a reason. It's accidentally, the person had,
But can I
it's accident without my knowing, then it's rape.
Can I tell you people one story that somebody said one time? He was like, he was fuming. The guy was fuming, and I was like, what happened? He said, I cannot believe that I believe this shit that this woman told me for so long. I said, what happened? He said, you know, obviously they were married, but they divorced now. They were married then, and then they have 2 sons. And then he asked her, okay, because he wasn't her first, and he asked her who was her first, and she goes, she was playing. Now she climbed 3. As she can't climb the 3, she can't fall for the 3. So the 3, one branch, one branch of the.
You say like.
One branch of the 3 just went.
No, but I'm saying, ew. Why was someone give you that kind of thing?
And he believed it for years, oh.
For years, this guy buy it.
Educated master's student.
Oh yes, and a master holder student.
He didn't believe it. He
did.
No, you don't understand what I'm saying. He chose to believe it.
And then she then
believe it.
and then she then do something else that make her go make the man out. It was fuming. It was
Most
angry.
people believe that when you're riding bicycle can break the seat of the bicycle.
Hymen.
It does.
Yeah, just like riding horse. And I understand that one.
Yeah.
But the issue, the
Like
one
fell
of
off a tree.
no, but the one of the branch. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you know.
Now you know.
Was she wearing anything? Nah, because she not wearing anything. So
It's
she
in
just
the village. It's in the village.
Yeah.
You go scatter that place.
Instead of you to just tell the man, say no, you are not the first.
But man too now.
No, but because the man wants to believe that he was the first, but you know he wasn't the first. So and then you know sometimes
Oh, the law.
no.
I don't even know why that question even.
No, you know what I was about to say. Some stupid question and deserve a stupid
Maybe
answer.
that's why she gave him that stupid answer.
Yeah, no, not 3.
Now
branch
Uroke
3,
branch.
yeah.
And the mumu fool.
He believed her until he was fuming. But to be honest, I don't think, apart from say you put yourself in a vulnerable position to be abused in any way,
That's different.
whether an intoxication or anything else, it will be a criminal offense.
Yep.
But anything outside that box,
Yeah.
bros, not be accident. Whether na woman or whether na man or
I'll come and tell you.
it not be accident.
Where's the mouth?
Amaka, you just come my house. To start with, there is no man here anyway. Accidentally. How?
Accident.
Yeah.
Where? How?
Your husband come to tell you that, what will you say? You know, fell laugh for your face first.
I thought laugh. No, I'll tell you it's bad accident. I can see that.
No, my own, I go tell you, say, okay, I believe you because when I dey come for Nigeria or Europe, I hang for the for the aeroplane. I mean, not be stairway that they call them.
And store away.
I hold the gear.
Yeah, you hold the gear. As I was holding the gear, my balls were frozen. From the cold.
So accidentally. Nobody had to unfreeze it.
Unfreeze it.
Yes,
So they had to enter to unfreeze it. At the customs officer.
Yeah.
When he was trying to check my passport that I didn't have, they accidentally.
In this 2021,
nonsense.
somebody go
Accident,
tell me
come.
that kind of stuff.
That's why I can't understand.
Even
this
children
guy,
don't understand.
like let me tell you something. This guy, that story sounds ridiculous. I just have a feeling and if he's educated, I just have a feeling that he just at that point in time he probably just wanted to just believe anything.
Oh, the
So
one
like
when-
my-
And take, I don't know, cause it's so. I mean,
after 2 children, this nigga was
this is
fuming.
stupid. This is a stupid story.
He was angry. I said 3K. Hey, yeah.
Wow.
If we tell that one to a 6 years old son,
They will laugh at
you
you.
know, say about children here, they sabi ask question. They say, really?
Really?
How?
How?
How is that even possible?
And did you didn't go to the doctors?
Yeah.
Did you not get to
And did you get
doctors?
pregnant with the 3?
Possible.
Sorry, Mom. We did biology 101.
No.
Yeah.
That was just. It's just.
No,
It's
it's a lie.
just-
They will believe it. Oh,
It's
that you
just
get pregnant with 3.
physically impossible.
It's not physical. After all, didn't your that guy, that small boy, think that he has menopause because he was feeling hot. 1 year ago, feeling hot and cold. These children might believe it.
But then he was a kid. That's
a 6-year-old kid.
Yeah, but that's a kid, but not an adult.
Not an adult.
You know, I cannot imagine how, in what context, can you possibly come to the house or to my working place and explain to me that you accidentally have sex with person?
There's nothing like accident sex.
First of all, I will just, when I don't laugh, my belly finish. You know, things like this, I won't even, you know, a lot of people get angry for different things, but things like this one here will not get me angry. Instead, I will find it hilarious. After I don't laugh finish, I will say, you know what? In fact, when you just
continue that accident.
In fact, if you're not even careful, when you come and say that kind of thing, I probably will say, enter Camille, go see doctor. You must be having issues.
Senkado left.
Senkado left. Straight. Because I can't understand.
No, I just that you know those children were born accidentally born them for the doctor that
my own, I never born. Now man I fall for heaven before I see it.
Accident.
5 children.
Immaculate conception.
No, accidentally. Just accidentally. No, that doctor that delivered was accidental.
Who born my 5 children?
Accidental.
Accident. Me.
When you went to hospital, accidentally told you that it was your
I was surprised. I was, before you should see the look in my face. I was like, I'm accidentally pregnant. No, I accidentally born 1. I can't accidentally born 2. I can't get twins. I can't accidentally born 3. I can't make there be 5.
In the Bible now, it's possible now. Immaculate conception.
But that wasn't accident.
Immaculate
was
conception.
Accident.
You just pray, close eye, God.
I didn't pray.
Give me first one.
Put the belly.
No, I didn't pray. It was accident. I didn't even know.
No, okay. Let's, even if that's the case, just imagine me going to the gynecologist and said, "Oh, madam, congratulations, you pregnant." And say, "Hey, me, I can't be pregnant, because I didn't sleep with anybody." You say, but I can see.
That means an accident.
No, you know they go flip the, they know where they flip the screen and say, "Oh, well, I think you are
5 months.
5 months pregnant." Say, "No, it must be an accident." The doctor will say, "Pardon?"
Maybe when I sat on the toilet seat and I didn't clean accidentally.
Or some man go piss and wank. So when we come sit down, put the thing just enter.
Accident.
The first, the second, the third, the fourth.
Accidentally score.
Bros, we are living in an era that digital and technologies and advanced. There is nobody in this world that will buy that story in a million years.
Even a 5-year-old child.
Accident like that, no, they happen. It happened because you wanted to.
Yep.
So if you want to ask for forgiveness for your significant other, at least be a man or a woman and own up to your responsibility for your actions, whatever you do at that moment, and then you can begin to start the healing process. But please don't go and say this.
Yeah, that's insulting.
Absolutely.
I'll feel insulted when you think I'm not like it was an accident.
You know when people just look at you and think they are crazy, and you know that everything that is coming out of their mouth is bullshit, and they will keep saying it. So, anyway. But guys, I hope I did not accidentally step over what I should have.